How much does Shopify cost? How much does it cost to actually run a shop using Shopify? Well, I'm going to explain all of that right here in this video, as they've got, as you can see on the screen, a few different pricing plans, and it does get a little bit complicated. So we're going to go through everything right here. First of all, if you want to check out Shopify, you want to actually try out the platform and see if it is for you, I do have a free trial. I have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. You can click on my link and you get this 3 days free trial right here. As you can see, you'll click my link and you'll wind up on a page like this, or very similar, depending on how Shopify change their pages over time. So it's 3 days for free, full unrestricted access, I believe, to the entire platform, and then it is just £1 or $1 per month for 3 months after that, as you can see right here. So going through the pricing plans, let's take a look left to right. We have basic right here, that is currently at £19 per month now. These prices are showing up in pounds, as I am right here in Britain, but I'll try and translate them into dollars. That's roughly $25 per month. So you see with basic, this is for solo entrepreneurs. You can get the free plan on this, the free trial even. You can sell online, in person, and in AI chats, and card rates. That's the important thing here. Card rates do change from plan to plan. As you pay for the more expensive plans, the card rate charges go down. So that essentially means that on the cheaper plans, you're paying less per month, or less per year even, but you are in fact paying more on every transaction that happens on your shop. So you see right here it's 2%, and it goes down to 1.7, 1.5 and 1.3, as you can see as we progress along the plans. So with the basic plan, you do get an AI system for commerce, content insights, store tasks and more. And there's a few other bits here. I won't read everything out right here. Then they've got the Grow plan at $49 per month. You can see it's everything in basic and better card rates. Advanced, this is described by Shopify as for global reach. That's at $259 per month. It's 1.5% for the card rates, and you get up to 15 staff accounts. So this is ideal if you're running a larger shop. And then they do have Plus at a $1,800 per month. That's in pounds. So that's just over $2,000 per month. So you're getting everything in an advanced, as I mentioned there. Plus you're getting unlimited staff accounts, fully customizable checkout, up to 200 POS Pro locations. So this is perfect for, you know, if you're running multiple shop locations, like physical locations where you need POS. And this is for larger stores, but also large online stores as well as physical stores, as you can see right there. So I should note that everything I was reading here prices wise was for the yearly pay. Now the thing with yearly, if you're paying every single year, you are getting a discount on the monthly rate, but you are having to pay for all of the months in one go. So I should mention that right there. If you flick over to monthly, you see that it is, each of these has increased, actually apart from that one, for some reason. But you see here, if I change back to yearly, you're getting like a £6 saving per month, just on this basic plan right here. So you can check out this pricing page for yourself. There's a ton of different detail here. This is really handy as well. Whenever you have a pricing page, it's always good to have a look at the side-by-side comparison for the different plans. You can see what you get, and in some cases what you don't get for each of these plans. It's very detailed here. There's some frequently asked questions at the bottom there as well. So I highly encourage you to check out my link, get that free trial, see if Shopify is for you. If it is, stick around. You can get one of these pricing plans. If it isn't, that's absolutely fine. There's no risk to you. You can stop your free trial, cancel it at any time, and you don't have to pay anything. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.